Boys don't grow up. Their toys just gets bigger. Before I even learned how to walk or talk properly, I was the kid who was pointing out cars, naming them just by looking at their tail lights, telling the difference between an Hyundai Accent and a Maruti Suzuki S-Team, clicking pictures with some cars like they were some superheroes. Hot Wheels collection, I still collect them, and these are just a few of my recent collectibles. Growing up, my video games weren't just games. They were my virtual escapes to my dreams. I spent hours modifying cars to my taste and driving them to my content. And then the movies. They just fueled the obsession even more. Cars weren't just machines to go from point A to point B for me. They were a medium to bring a smile on my face. So when the time finally came to buy my first car, I knew it. It couldn't be a daily driver. It had to be something special. At least the first one. Something that carries all that passion, all those childhood dreams, and turn them into reality. This is my very first car. The full review? Well, it is coming in the part 2 of this series. So for now, let's just continue with the vlog of the delivery and a few reactions to the car.
But yeah, cars have always been my thing. Only in late teens I have moved into motorcycles. So I'm Karaita. And yeah, so after that motorcycles, you have seen what kind of content I do, what kind of motorcycles I ride and all those stuff. So I was missing cars on my channel. So here we are with a car purchase. I remember as a kid I used to play Need for Speed and other racing games, and I used to always think to myself, when I grow up I would have a car like this and I would modify it, I would have fun with it. And as I grew up, that feeling was still there, but I realized that to buy a car and then modify it in a right way requires a lot of funding. So when this deal came along, when this car came along, I thought to myself that it's now or never. आवाज भी करता पाना Same color. Video kada video. Okay. Shit, so I don't know why, but Rakesh का brain out हो चुका है, and he's like, हाँ तेरे cousin की गाड़ी है ना, अच्छी है, this and that. I'm like, नहीं भाई मैंने ली है. He has not yet realized that I have bought the car.
मेरे को like मैं इतना गाड़ी चलाने में बिजी था कि मैंने लाइक अमोघ जो बोल रहा है मैंने
बिल्कुल भी सुना नहीं
मैंने लाइक
I was like, okay, yeah, I was like, I got the reaction and everything. अभी हम बात करेंगे, इसलिए मैंने कैमरा भी बंद किया है. And he's like, कजनाची मरे आता केन्ना वयतली परत. I'm like, what the fuck
bro, congrats.
वो रिएक्शन रिकॉर्ड कर तुमचे.
गाडी ली है, बाईनी गाडी ली है.
पट्टा ना. आप बिलो किरे उडायला काय उडाय धर
ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस. thumbs up. Yo boss, नवी घेतली आहे? Congratulations. Diesel रे?
So, share this video with that person who thinks of cars as more than machines. I'm sure he or she would relate. See you in the next video where I'll showcase you what I have purchased. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and peace out.
Bonus.
Bro, but खरं सांग, तुका इतलं वेळ खरंच खबर नाही.
खरं खबर ना.
काय तू बेस्ट फेक करता? खरंच खबर ना.
खरं खबर ना.
आई साहेबा.
दोजनान घेतला. हल्ली घरात ओरली का तुवे? फुला बिला घालून घरात ओरली. तिथलं ऐकलं हा फुल गाडीचे भितर. मला काय खबरच ना. लिटरली काय खबर नव्हतं.